I'm Karen Murnahan, co-owner and practice manager here at Boyne Dental, involved in the customer service and patient-related side of the business.
I'm David Murnahan, husband of Carol, and also co-owner of Boyne Dental. I am the implant dentist here. I also do all areas of general dentistry. We have a team of other dentists which do cosmetic orthodontics, referral endodontics, hygiene treatment, and we also have a doctor that does some facial aesthetics, Botox and fillers.
David and I started Boyne Dental Implant Clinic about 3.5 years ago, and it was in Boyne House, and it was essentially a squat practice because although we bought a list, there was no functioning dental practice there on a day-to-day basis. So we started off, it was a day a week, got to 2 days a week, 3 days a week, brought in an associate and built it up from there. Went from 1 surgery to 2 surgeries, and essentially then we just outgrew where we were and decided that this lovely old building in Ludlow Street became available. We'd try our hand to see if we could get it. We were lucky, we got it, did a lot of work with our architect, and we were able to open our new Boyne Dental. So in our previous building, you had to walk up, before you could get near reception, let alone the surgery, you had to walk up 2 flights of stairs. In this building, you walk up 2 steps and you're into a beautiful, bright, open building with 2 ground floor surgeries. We have
our own dedicated X-ray suite which can take CT scans, so some of my implant patients were having to go to a hospital in Dublin can now get everything done here. And we also have our own dedicated decontamination suite, so it's better for cross-infection and keeping everything nice and clean. As well as that, every surgery has tally on the ceiling, so it keeps people entertained, from older people liking to watch and keep up with their shows to kids watching the likes of Toy Story or Frozen, as our kids enjoy very much. We've got about 60 to 70 new patients joining the practice every month. As Carol said, we started with me 1 day a week, and now we have 2 full-time dentists, an endodontist, 2 hygienists, and a new dentist starting in another couple of months. So.
Yeah, it's very good. Everyone pulls the same way. Things are done very efficiently compared to where I would have been before. The reception staff are very good with patients. The people on the phones are fairly good as well. And basically, there's a real sense of wanting you to do well, both financially and clinically. 5-6 courses has been on the recommendation from David and what we want to do and the direction that I want to take. Yeah, basically, if there's anything ever interesting happening, they shows me straight away. It's good crack, but we.
So PJ, thanks a million for saying a few words today at Boyne Dental. We've just finished your implant treatment today with David Murnahan, and if you'd like to tell us a little bit about how you heard of us at Boyne Dental first.
My daughter recommended David, and I travelled down from Uri to visit David. And did you find the journey okay? No bother whatsoever. Perfect. And you lost your tooth how many years ago now? About 20 odd years ago. And you've had bridges on and off since. How did you find they've worked well but started to fall out, is that right? They came very loose after a while. Okay. And that made you decide to get an implant. So this is a picture of you beforehand, once your bridge had fallen out. Can you show us there what it was like as a close-up? Perfect. And then afterwards, so that's today, and close up there. So following the 3 months treatment, how do you feel the result is? It's absolutely brilliant. I have my confidence and my smile back again, and I am very pleased with David's staff and all the treatment that went with it. And what about something that a lot of people would be afraid of is pain, and that implants would be very aggressive and sore. How did you find that side of things? No bother whatsoever. I found it very, no pain whatsoever at all. Brilliant.
And would you recommend, or have any hesitation to recommend anyone to Boyne Dental then?
I would recommend anybody to come to Boyne Dental and visit David, and he will be very good in informing you of everything.
Super. Thank you very much for that, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you, David.